Today you will see fraction stations in Miss Hardesty's classroom. All of the stations have different file folders with students' names on them. The file folders are broken down into different activities based on students' individual needs. The file folders have the list of students' names on them, so the students are aware when they come to the station which file folder they are to choose. The first activity, or the first station, is the M&M fraction activity. There are 3 levels of difficulty at this station. There's above, on level, and below level. As you can see in the pictures, the file folders are broken down based on level and student need. The questions vary, as well as the difficulty of the activity varies. However, the students are all doing the same activity and working with M&Ms and fractions.
Awesome.
No.
No way.
I love this game.
Each column M&Ms is the total number of M&Ms.
Now, eat one of each M&M.
That means you can eat.
Wait, it does?
But I'm gonna have 0 blues.
Wait,
I have 0 oranges. I guess I'll go with
small fraction? There's 2 small fractions.
no.
The next station is an independent station working with the iPads in IXL Math. Miss Hardesty has the ability to go into the IXL Math program and assign different lessons for students, all working on fractions, but at different levels. In this third station, the students are using their spelling words for the week. Each of their lists are differentiated based on their need. They are using these lists to determine in each spelling word what the fraction of vowels are, as well as what the fraction of consonants are. They then have to create a fraction picture to represent their fraction of vowels and their fraction of consonants. Finally, in the last station, it is a small group station with Miss Hardesty. She has divided her students up into 4 separate groups, all working on equivalent fractions. You will see in the first segment that the group is working at a different level than what you see in the second group. The first group is going over more basic on-level instruction, while the second group is being challenged by Miss Hardesty. Take a look.
Right now you are good. Do you remember what an equivalent fraction is? Talk about it just a little bit.
Yes.
Remember this one a little bit.
Like you're doing fractions and you're going all the way down.
What if I have... What is this fraction called? How do we say this, Jordan? That's a good guess, Kylie. 1/2. Okay. If I have a circle, how many pieces is my circle going to be broken up into? Alice? Where do you get 4 at? This fraction. It's going to be broken up into 2 because what's this bottom number mean? It means that how many pieces my shape is going to be in. And what does the top number mean? It does mean 1, but what does that mean with my picture? I'm going to shade 1, okay? So here I have a circle broken up into 2 pieces, and I've shaded half of it. I've only shaded 1 piece. But I want to come up with an equivalent fraction for 1/2. Do you remember what that is now? I want to come up with an equivalent fraction for 1/2. Okay, remember how I showed you we can do pictures? What if you're given this picture? And I have this one. What am I going to do, Dalton? Why am I going to shade 2?
like when it's not the same like fractions as Cowboys.
Very good, yeah. So an equivalent fraction is a fraction that's equal to another fraction. They're gonna have a different denominator and a different numerator, right? But they're gonna be the same thing. So Dalton says that I'm gonna shade in 2. Whatever I shade in is shaded in here has to be shaded in over here. Do they look the same now? Same amount is shaded in? How many pieces do I have in this circle? Kylie? I have 4, right? And how many are shaded in? Alice? 2. So my new fraction is 2/4. Are they equivalent? Are they the same fraction? Yes, they are. Any color other than blue or green. Okay, I'm going to give you a board, and we're going to come up with another equivalent fraction for 1/2. Think you can do it? When you get this and marker. It doesn't matter what color you get.
Do you know the password to this? Because it has a password.
Just grab another one.
All the other ones we have
Choose
to
a different one, Garrett.
All the other ones don't work.
Choose a different one, Garrett.
So all of them are that way.
Okay.
Keep
I want
choosing
you
a different
to-
one, Garrett. Get one out of the cart.
I want you to draw a circle. Make it big so you can make your pieces. And then, if we have a circle, let me grab one more. And we're going to divide this one into 8 pieces. How are we going to divide the circle into 8 pieces? Can I do this? Why? It's not equal. They have to be equal pieces. Good job. Okay. So what's going to be the easiest way to divide my circle into 8 pieces? Dalton?
Maybe do like X's a little bit.
Okay, so cut it into how many pieces first? Cut it into 4 pieces, and then we can cut those in half. Got it? Okay, so there are fractions that are equal. Okay? Same, they're equal.
If you have a 1/4, would it be a 2/8 if you made an equivalent?
It would be. Okay, so we know how to use the picture and the number line to come up with an equivalent fraction, right? I'm going to take it a step further with you guys today. Okay, we're going to learn the other way to do equivalent fractions.
Like you would
So if I have the number, or the fraction, the same number, the fraction 1/3, and I want to come up with an equivalent fraction, I can easily make a picture. I can easily do a number line. Show me really quick on your board an equivalent fraction for, and my pieces are going to be as equal as I can get them. And I know it's not perfect. Show me an equivalent fraction for 1/3 using this picture.
we put our name, then the Artesians. Yeah, no.
D. Drexler at Artesians. So if I have my 1/3,
D. Drexler Artesians. Hey, Artesians. The weird looking A than Artesians.
and then write the fraction under it.
It's hard to see.
Let me see, Johnny.
Sometimes it works, not always. Not always.
Open your package in a minute.
How many pieces do I have to shade in on this one? 2. I have to shade in 2, yeah.
If you have 1/3
Yep.
on the
And
bottom.
like I said, mine's not perfect.
Mine isn't.
So my new fraction is
2/6.
2/6 and 1/3 are the same. Okay.
actually. If you have 1/3,
I know, I saw that.
whatever
Okay.
the bottom number is, you add the bottom number up again. You add
We
the same
are
amount up
gonna
again.
stick with 1/3, okay? And I'm gonna show you the other way of doing an equivalent fraction. If I know that my denominator is 6, and I'm trying to find an equivalent fraction, 3 times what gives me 6? 3 times 3? 3 times 2, right? So I multiplied 2. If I multiply the bottom by 2, guess what I have to do to the top? I have to multiply it by 2 also. So 1 times 2 is
3.
1 times 2 is what? 2. Thank you.
I kept thinking that you meant 1 plus 6.
1 times 2. So 1/3 is the same as 2 6. Let's go even further. What if my bottom number, or my denominator, is 9? And we're going to ignore this one for now. What did I have to multiply 3 by to give me 9?
3.
I have to multiply it by 3. So if I multiply the denominator by 3, what do I have to do to the numerator? Multiply by. So what is my numerator?
3.
So my new fraction is, so 1/3 is the same as, and the same as 3/9. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Let's do 3/4. We'll do another one together and then have you do some on your own. Okay. Now this time I'm going to give you the numerator and we're going to figure out the denominator. I'm not tricking you, not yet anyway. What do I multiply the top by to give me 9? 3 times what is 9? 3 times 3 is 9. So if I multiply the numerator by 3, I have to multiply the denominator by 3.
Wait, so the denominator is 3.
Garrett, look. I have to take 3 times 3 to give me 9. So if I multiply by 3 up here, I have to multiply the 4 by 3 to give me my new denominator. So what is my new fraction? 9/12. So 3/4 is the same thing as 9/12. Maybe make sure you're in 3rd grade. Right here, Bentley. Okay. Does this make sense? Are we good so far? Okay.